some design skills in our laserbox software, and I have these different silhouettes, and you can choose which one you want to do. And this one right here, if you're feeling like you want to get an E for this project, you can do this one. Otherwise, you can choose anything else you want. And in this case, I'm going to do this tree right here, and it's pretty easy. This is a JPEG that I just drag and dropped in, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start creating some shapes. And these shapes are going to, now I can Control C, Control V and copy and paste. And you can see I can use the arrow keys to like move it just by a little bit. Control C, Control V. I can rotate it here. Arrow key down a bit. Control C, Control V. Make the size a little smaller. Use the arrow keys. Control C, Control V. Something like this. And now what I want to do, I want to zoom in a bit. You can also Command plus and use the hand grip to move it around. Go back here, and now I'm going to use this pen tool. And I'm gonna click here. The pen tool is a little bit strange, but it works. It's not the easiest tool. You can see it's snapping a bit. So now I have my trunk, I have my tree, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this out of the way, and you can see that here, if I press fill, I'm missing the center piece. So I'm going to put another circle here just to fill this up. And press fill, and now everything is there. But it's all these separate pieces, right? I've got this piece, like if I select it all and press fill, it's all these lines. So what I want to do is I want to make this one thing. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to go union, and what union does is it turns it all into one thing. Now I'm going to delete this JPEG, grab this, export. I'm going to call this tree, and then I'm going to put my name, and I'm going to submit this to Mr. Aaron. Done.